My name's Gunnar Grangaard. I'm out of the Sioux Falls office here in South Dakota, and I'm a civil crew chief for VIKOR. Basically, we install the foundations for all sorts of different towers. Anything on the ground. We'll do roads, building pads, kind of anything like that. Had a buddy that actually started working here, and then he got another friend signed up. And then they were both kind of telling me the travel was cool, the crews were cool to work with. And more or less I was just kind of spinning my wheels a bit there and kind of looking for something new. I mean, all the cool places you get to go. I went skydiving 3 different times, kind of on both coasts, and then down south on the southern coast, right over the Gulf of Mexico. And yeah, it's just, there's a lot of cool stuff like that. You know, you get to spend a Sunday out in Montana or kind of wherever exploring, so. The new guys on the crew usually surprises them is I really love to read. Pretty much always have 4 or 5 books floating around the truck. That really throws guys for a loop because I don't think I really come off as a big bookworm, but it can be tough, you know, being on the road and being away from home, but it's also super rewarding, and it's, if you kind of lean into it, you know, you can really find a lot of enjoyment out there and really get to see some really, truly amazing things. Being able to show up to just a bare, you know, cattle pasture out in the middle of nowhere, Montana, and truly being able to say, yeah, I put a road in, and then all of a sudden I built a foundation, and then the tower crew came in, I helped them stack a tower, and now there's going to be a tower there for the next 60 years. It's very clear to me that everybody here is on the same page, we're on the same team, we're all striving for the same goals. And being able to see that, you know, throughout the field and throughout the office it's really something that's really cool to see. You always know that you got people in your corner. You kind of run into a problem, you got a phone full of people you can call for help. So